Why Trump's 2025 policies are making it hard for immigration lawyers. 1. Detention-first posture limits advocacy. The Board of Immigration Appeals just held that undocumented immigrants in proceedings are not entitled to bond hearings, locking many clients into months of detention unless DHS grants discretionary parole. This removes a key courtroom lever for lawyers and increases detention caseloads and humanitarian pressure. 2. Fee hikes and new barriers. USCIS introduced new fees, including a $100 asylum filing fee and an annual asylum fee, tied to H.R. 1, raising costs for low-income clients and creating ethical, strategic hurdles for attorneys trying to file timely protection claims. 3. Shrinking due process space in the courts. Advocacy groups and former judges report the administration's reforms have eroded adjudicator independence and constrained asylum access, making it harder for lawyers to secure fair hearings. 4. Record, or at least historic, strain on the system. The court backlog is at near all-time highs, 3.73.9 M pending, and even with EOR claiming recent case completion milestones, lawyers confront chaotic dockets, short-notice resets, and clients lost in the queue. 5. Enforcement surge and large-scale operations. From high-profile factory raids to broadened detention and mass deportation ambitions, enforcement drags more people into proceedings, while counsels scramble to reach detainees, triage facts, and challenge removals under compressed timelines. 6. Cuts to vulnerable clients' legal support. Reporting indicates the administration ended a legal aid program for detained immigrants with severe mental illness, increasing pro bono burdens and leaving some of the hardest cases without specialized assistance. 7. Policy whiplash and executive actions. A steady stream of executive orders and policy memos, some reviving first-term restrictions, keeps rules in flux, forcing lawyers to constantly retool strategies and client advisories. Bottom line, is now a good time to move to the USA? For many categories, asylum, family, certain work visas, 2025 is a particularly hard moment. Higher fees, detention-first posture, heavier enforcement, and system strain mean longer waits, more uncertainty, and higher legal costs. Exactly the combination that reduces clients' odds and increases risk. Better near-term alternatives, talent-friendly options. If the goal is fast, predictable residence or work authorization, consider these countries while the U.S. environment stabilizes. Each has well-trodden pathways for skilled workers, students, or entrepreneurs. Canada, multiple federal, provincial skilled worker streams, transparent point systems, generous post-study work routes. Germany, EU blue card expansion, acute shortages in engineering, IT, healthcare, English-tolerant workplaces in big hubs. Netherlands, highly skilled migrant, Kennis migrant program. Strong demand in tech, logistics, health, English widely used. Australia, skills lists, points-tested visas, straightforward employer sponsorship, strong graduate pathways. Ireland, critical skills employment permits, thriving tech finance ecosystem, English language environment. New Zealand, accredited employer work visa and resident pathways for in-demand roles, lifestyle draw. Sweden, Malta, Singapore. Specialized talent passes, startup-friendly regimes, and clear employer-led permits.